Tom was an ordinary young man. He lived in a small apartment. Every day felt the same. Wake up, go to work, come home, sleep. Tom had big dreams, but he felt stuck. One morning, something strange happened. When Tom opened his front door, he saw a letter on the floor. He looked around. No one was there. The letter had no stamp, no address, only 4 words: from your future self. Tom's heart started beating fast. "What is this?" he whispered. Slowly, he opened the letter.
Tom unfolded the letter. Inside he read, "Hello, Tom. I am you, 10 years from now." Tom laughed. This must be a joke. But he kept reading. The letter said, "I know you're tired. I know you're frustrated. I know you think your life will never change. But you're wrong." Tom's smile disappeared. The words felt personal, very personal. Then he read the next sentence. "Do not give up. Your future depends on what you do today." Tom sat quietly, thinking.
Vocabulary practice. Future, the time that has not happened yet. Depend, to be affected by something. Frustrated, feeling upset because things are difficult.
The letter continued. "I want to give you 3 rules. Rule number 1, learn something every day. Rule number 2, never stop improving yourself. Rule number 3, be patient." Tom read the rules again, and again, and again. They seemed simple, but powerful. The future Tom wrote, "Success does not happen overnight. It happens one day at a time." Tom decided to try, just for one day. The next morning, Tom woke up early. Normally, he slept until the last minute, but today was different. He made his bed. He drank water. He exercised for 10 minutes. Then he read an English book. Only 5 pages, but it was a start. For the first time in months, Tom felt proud. A small step, but still a step forward. Days passed, then weeks. Tom continued learning. He learned new English words. He listened to English videos. He practiced speaking every day. At first, he made many mistakes, but he kept going. Slowly, he improved. His confidence grew. His mind became stronger. His future began to change. But success is never easy. One day, Tom failed a job interview. Another day, he felt discouraged. He wanted to quit. That night, he looked at the letter again. One sentence caught his attention. Every successful person wanted to quit at some point. They succeeded because they didn't. Tom took a deep breath and continued moving forward. Months became years. Tom became a different person. He spoke English confidently. He earned a better job. He met new people. He traveled. He learned. He grew. The life he once dreamed about was becoming real. And it all started with one letter, one decision, one small step. 10 years later, Tom sat at a desk, smiling. In front of him was a blank piece of paper. Slowly, he began writing. Hello, Tom. I am you. 10 years from now. Suddenly, he understood. The mysterious letter was never magic. The letter was hope. The letter was belief. The letter was a reminder. Your future is created by your actions today. Tom folded the letter, placed it inside an envelope, and smiled. Remember, small actions create big results. Never stop learning. Never stop growing. Never stop believing. Now repeat after me. I can improve every day. My future is bright. I will never give up. I believe in myself. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next lesson.